Welcome to another video from masunt. In this video guide, we show you how to create online codes in the Codelocks Connect portal to use your safe for various use cases. If you are using your device for the first time, we recommend watching our video on setting up the masunt e-code safes in advance. Find out now how to generate online codes via the Codelocks portal. 3 modes are available for creating online codes. Standard in the single-use and multi-use variants with a validity period of 1 hour to 7 days. Rental from 1 to 21 days for multi-use. And rental max for 365 days and multi-use. Each mode is suitable for different use cases. In standard mode, you can create codes with a validity period of 1 hour to 7 days. Multi-use codes allow multiple use within the defined period, and single-use codes can only be used once and then expire. If in doubt, we recommend selecting multi-use mode, especially if the user is not yet familiar with the safe. Important: in standard mode, you have the option of defining the exact starting hour from which the code is active for codes with a validity period of up to 12 hours. In rental mode, you can only set the code validity for whole days. The validity period is between 1 and 21 days. The codes are always activated for a whole day from 0 o'clock, so that no individual start time can be set here. The codes can be used unlimited within the defined period. Important: the generated code must be entered into the lock at least once within 24 hours of the start time in order to remain valid. Please also note that only the last rental code entered is active. This means that previously entered codes lose their validity, even if they still have a remaining term. In Rental Max 365 mode, you create codes with a term of 365 days. You also select the time period from the start time in which the code must be entered at the lock for the first time. A period of between 1 hour and 7 days is possible. Also in this mode, only the last code entered is active. This means that if a new code is entered, previously entered codes also lose their validity, even if they still had a remaining validity period. Attention! Only codes that correspond to the code mode set on the device can be generated. For example, if standard mode is activated, no codes of the type rental can be generated. But you can change your selection at any time. To activate the desired online code mode in the lock, enter one of the following sequences once and start each entry with the diamond button. For the standard mode, diamond 1 4 1 1 1. For the rental 21 days mode, diamond 1 4 1 0 1. And for the rental max 365 day mode, diamond 1 4 0 1 and 1. Now we will show you how to proceed in the Codelocks Connect online portal. Log into your CodelocksConnect.net account, change the display language if necessary, and select the desired lock under Locks. Click on the Generate Netcode button to access the parameter mask. Set the mode, validity period, start date, and the start time here. The example shows the creation of a standard online code with a validity period of 5 hours and a validity start from 8 o'clock in the morning for one-time use. The code is created with a further click. Please note once again that no start time can be defined for code modes other than standard mode or for codes with a validity of more than 12 hours. Optionally, you can then send the code directly by email or SMS. When sending it as an SMS, make sure you enter the mobile phone number in the format specified in the online portal. Alternatively, authorized persons can also request online codes by text message, but only if standard mode is activated. To do this, enter the name and mobile number with the international dialing code under the Phone List menu item. Each lock has an individual SMS code. You can find it in the online portal in the Safe information. The persons or mobile phone numbers authorized via the telephone list can send the desired SMS identification to the country-specific telephone number displayed in the portal and immediately receive opening codes for the masunt e-code safe if the safe is operated in standard mode, as already mentioned. The codes are valid for the current and the following hour. That means that they have a maximum validity of 2 hours. So this is how to create your online codes in the Codelocks Connect portal. Simple, secure, and flexible. Thanks for watching. See you next time, your masunt team.